We could open up this section here for the main living area, facing the ocean.
And use the cockpit as a greenhouse.
Look at the extent of the corrosion here. We should prioritize this section.
Okay, I'm getting 12 feet exactly for the opening. If we put the wall here at 450.
It gives us enough room for the main living space.
So that's 450 across here.
Okay, the bathroom core can fit right here then.
The sleeping area goes here, then the bathroom core.
And this whole section will be the main living area. We should sketch the galley next.
We should adjust this curve slightly. Let's get the measurements for the first beam.
Okay, that's perfect. It's level now.
Wow, look at that view now.
Oh. It's incredible. Worth the effort.
Can you believe this view? It makes all the hard work worth it.
It's absolutely incredible. It's perfect. The window fits snugly.
All right, let's lift this one onto the wall section. Watch the insulation.
Okay, hold it right there.
That looks straight now.
That looks straight now.
All right, drilling it in. We need to push this edge up slightly.
Okay, got it.
It's perfectly level now.
Okay, let's grab the mattress, up
it over.
We need to get this sheet on tight.
Pass me the wrench, please.
Here.
Are the pipes level now?
Looks good. Let's start the sealant.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Easy, easy. Watch the edge right there.
Okay, the hot water line is secure. Can you check the pressure?
Looks good from here. Make sure the drain is tight. Hold it steady now.
Yep, almost through. There we go. Hold it steady right there.
Okay, I'm drilling it in.
Is the bubble centered?
Yes, it's perfectly level.
We need to secure this connection before we move the tank.
Got it. The filter should line up right here.
Check the voltage on the battery bank one more time.
Looks stable. I think we're ready to power up the inverter.
Does that align with the edge?
Almost. Needs to shift slightly to the left. There we go. What do you think?
It's amazing. Ready for the TV?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's finally done. The whole system is up and running.
It looks incredible. Great job with the install.
Everything is consolidated right here. You can access the climate controls and the navigation data from the home screen.
Can you believe we wake up to this every morning?
It's perfect. Absolutely perfect.